Hello students, welcome back to my channel once again. So, in the previous video we have solved question number 33. Now we are going to solve the or part of question number 33 from the sample paper. Okay. So let us take a look at the question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2a square minus 4x plus 5. So the equation that polynomial is px equal to 2x square minus 4x plus 5. So this is the polynomial given. So what are the alpha and beta? Alpha and beta are the zeros. We already know that there is a relationship with the alpha and beta and the coefficient of the polynomial. So let us find the coefficient first. So if we compare this polynomial with the general form, then a will be equal to 2, b is minus 4 and c is 5. Now alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta we know that is minus b by a. So that means minus 4 by 2. That is 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So what we got? Alpha plus beta equal to 2. Now alpha beta is equal to c by a. So c is 5, a is 2. So alpha beta we got 5 by 2. Now we have to apply this to find out the values, okay, of the questions. Now here they are asking alpha square plus beta square. So alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Let me remind you why I have written this, because we know that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So that means if we shift the side, then a square plus b square will be equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab, isn't it? So that's why I have written like this. So now alpha plus, let us replace the values. Alpha plus beta is 2. So 2 square minus 2 into alpha beta is 5 by 2. So that means 4 minus 5, that is equal to minus 1. So we got the answer of the first part. So now let us solve the second part, that is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So let me solve it in the next page. Let me first write the alpha plus beta is equal to 2, alpha beta equal to 5 by 2. So then the second part is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So let us do LCM, alpha beta, that is coming beta plus alpha. That means alpha plus beta by alpha beta. Now let us put the value. Alpha plus beta is 2, alpha beta is 5 by 2. So that means 2 into 2 by 5. That is the reciprocal. So that is coming 4 by 5. So this is the answer of the second part. Now the third part. So let us take a look at the third part question. What they are asking? They are asking for alpha minus beta whole square. So alpha minus beta whole square, we know the formula is alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Here also we are applying the identity, that is a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. That identity we have applied. So now let us put the value 2 square minus 4 into 5 by 2. So this is 2 minus 10, which is coming minus 6. Now, question number 4, part 4, they are asking 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Okay. So, same way we are going to solve like part A, 1, part 2, 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. So, now let us do the LCM, alpha square, beta square. So, this is coming alpha, beta square plus alpha square. Now, here we already got the value of alpha square plus beta square in part 1. Now, this is alpha beta whole square. So, alpha square plus beta square we got as minus 1. So, we are going to apply that value. That is minus 1 by alpha beta is 5 by 2 whole square. So, which is becoming minus 1 into 4 by 25. Because 5 square is 25, 2 square is 4. Now, we have to reciprocal of it. So, it's coming minus 4 by 25. Okay. Now, let us take a look. So, this is the answer of part 4. Now, we need to solve part 5 as well. So, let us take a look. Part 5 is alpha square. Sorry, this will be not alpha square. This will be alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay. So, there is a typo in the question. So, now let us solve this. So part 5 is alpha cube plus beta cube. Here also we are going to apply the identity, that is alpha plus beta whole cube. You always need to memorize the identities. Alpha 3 alpha beta to alpha plus beta. So what is the identity? That is a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, right? So if we switch the positions, then a cube plus b cube will be equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, isn't it? So we have just applied that same. So now alpha plus beta, we already know that is 2. So 2 cube minus 3 into alpha beta is 5 by 2. Alpha beta is 2. So it will be cancelled out. 8 minus 15. So which is coming minus 7. So this is the answer of the part 5. Okay. Hope this is clear to you. Thank you. Bye bye.